Never mind. Check it out.
Yeah. Whoa, I have a dream. Yeah, I have a dream.
Take a look inside of someone. If you look inside of someone, you will see that inside of other people, they have dreams that could be different than yours. Character traits that could be different than yours. Ideas that could be different than yours. And beliefs that could be different than yours. But if you look closely inside of someone, you will see they have feelings inside that are exactly like the feelings you have inside yourself. Take a look inside of someone and see the good stuff.
I have a dream that we will end it just.
Think of Dr. Martin Luther King.
I have a dream
Every time you see
of equality.
the amazing see-through kid. Give De Niro a big clap for being awesome today. Good job.